welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again. And I want today to talk about your mission statement. Now, at this channel, we talk everything nonprofit, a little bit of for-profit as well, but we focus on nonprofit, and I am going to teach you step by step how to start your nonprofit at the state level, and then how to become a 501c3 tax-exempt organization at the federal level. So I'm going to take you through every piece of paperwork that it takes for you to get approved for both. Now that way you can keep that money in your pocket and don't have to pay someone like me or an attorney to do the paperwork for you, because it is expensive, anywhere from $1,800 to $2,500, maybe even more, to have an attorney or even me. I have a business, Your Nonprofit Solution. I do the paperwork also. But I want you to keep that money in your pocket, because it's going to take every bit of funds that you have to actually fund your programs. And, we need that money to do good. So let's avoid that. You can do it. But again, at this channel, we talk everything for-profit, nonprofit, a little bit of for-profit. Now, we also believe that your story is your mission. So before we get started, I want you to please subscribe and like and comment as well. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, because what that does is it allows me to continue to bring you content like this. I really appreciate it. So again, today we're going to talk about your mission statement. Now, if you're watching this, you've been thinking about starting a nonprofit. You may not know exactly the purpose. I know you want to do good in the world, but may not know exactly what you want to do. So that's why I believe your story is your mission. Think about what in your community maybe drove you to want to change, like it was broken. You wanted to fix it. And so think about that, or think about maybe when you were younger, maybe you saw children who came home and they were hungry. The only meals they had were at school. When they got home, they didn't have any meals. So maybe you wanted to provide meals for children after school. Maybe like one of my clients, you wanted to start a food pantry because you saw your mother as she was growing up, as the client was a little girl, she saw her mother feeding people in the neighborhood that needed help. They didn't have food to eat, so she wanted to start a food pantry for that purpose. And her food pantry is called Blessings and Miracles. And so, hey, the title, the name speaks for itself. But let's think about your mission statement. Now, dictionary.com describes a mission as an important goal or purpose that is accompanied by strong conviction. So think about what it is that you saw or you see now that you want to change. You may get tired of seeing litter on the ground all the time, and you want to do something about that, or whatever the case is. This is what we're going to talk about today, and I'm going to talk to you about how to create your mission statement. But how I'm going to do it is I have some breaking news, and that I want you to continue to watch this video so that you can see all about how to start your mission statement. Stay tuned.